Today I'm going to show you how to naturally dye eggs using yellow onion skins. No artificial colors, no store-bought dye kits, just edible plants, yellow onion skins, and an old cut-up t-shirt. I'm going to be using our own farm fresh eggs. I really wanted to experiment and see how this project turned out on the darker brown eggs as well as the blue eggs, and I'm really happy to report that they all turned out just stunningly beautiful. The first step is heading outside to gather your edible plants. This is such a fun project for the kids, and it's really great for teaching them how to identify edible plants. We walk around the yard and pick small leaves and herbs with interesting shapes. Things like parsley, yarrow works beautifully, or any delicate leafy greens that are safe to eat and edible. These leaves are what will create the natural silhouettes on the eggs, so the more detailed the shape, the prettier the final design will be. Once we have a little collection, we bring them inside and get ready to wrap the eggs. In the past, I've always used pantyhose for this next step, and every tutorial that I've found online uses pantyhose. This year, I decided to see if I could get away with using just a cut up old t-shirt because I really didn't want to run out to the store just to buy pantyhose to complete this project. And I was really pleasantly surprised to find out that a cut up old t-shirt works beautifully. Use about a 6-inch square of material, lay out your greenery, and then wrap your egg as tightly as you can with the greenery pressed against it and secure it with a rubber band. And now for the magic ingredient, yellow onion skins. I like to save the dry outer skins from regular yellow cooking onions. When you're in the store selecting them, try to find onions that have a really thick, beautiful golden skin. These create the most beautiful earthy dye. Yellow onion skins contain natural plant pigments, and when they're heated in water, the pigments are released, and because the eggshells are so porous, they are stained by the pigmented water. Next, you want to place the wrapped eggs into a pot and cover them generously with the onion skins. Add enough water to fully submerge everything, then bring it to a boil. Once it boils, reduce to a gentle simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the pigment will extract from the onion skin, and it will dye the eggshells everywhere except for where the leaf is pressed tightly, which is what creates those beautiful botanical prints. After simmering, I turn off the heat and let the eggs cool completely. This step is important because as they cool, the dye continues to develop and deepen. You can even throw the whole pot in the refrigerator overnight after they've cooled, and the color will continue to intensify. Once everything is completely cool, it's time to reveal all of the beautiful designs that you've created. Carefully unwrap the fabric and peel away the leaves. Every egg is going to be completely unique with its own delicate leaf silhouettes and natural variations in tone. I absolutely love this method of dyeing eggs, mostly because it is so incredibly simple. It really is so simple and easy with such beautiful and rewarding results. I hope you try this, and if you do, please let me know how it goes in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.